So that one should be the easiest to figure out because it at least has one little cut. It's still a little tacky. That's nice and sturdy. Looks good for my backyard. And if you... Damn, I just realized that my speedometer isn't even working. This is the first time I've drove this truck since I was able to get it at a park a week ago. And I haven't really needed to use it for anything because I have my car, but since I had to get this plywood, I had to drive it, so yeah, I don't know. Just get me home. What are you gonna use that for?
We're gonna wrap it around the 2x4.
So now are you cutting, is that how much you're just gonna leave there?
Yep.
Just along the edge?
So
and
that
then
we can secure it. And then it'll get that.
the fiberglass resin?
Yep.
So with this 2x4, after you wrap it and all that, it's gonna go along here and create
Yep.
this support beam there.
Yep. And then the plywood's gonna go on the wall.
Looking sturdy.
I gotta get it up though.
Can't get it up in between that.
Yeah.
Oh. Is there any little pieces under there that are...
No.
What about on this end over there? Is there another... Is it all open all
Yeah.
across here and there's nothing that comes down there?
No. I scraped it out. I pulled all the screws. I'd like to get it up in there so that I can reuse these holes
Right.
to secure it.
Right.
Because that's going to be one spot that we secure it. The 2x4 brace that gets put here is another spot.
Mm-hmm.
And that's got to get fiberglassed or something after.
You figured it out?
Yeah, see, this is a piece I cut off down there, right? And it fits up under there fine. So it's got to be what's left of this that I got to scrape off.
Yep. Yeah.
Can you see the way? It's easy to work from the inside once we take our wedges out and put our piece in.
Mm-hmm. So that's keeping it tighter so the glue will
Can stick.
stick to the other side. And this might be done. It's still a little tacky. Right now I have to run down to the hardware store and pick up some nuts and some washers. Benny? What is it? It is it in there. I don't see it. Is it a lizard? Wish I lizard in there. Yeah, so that one should be the easiest to figure out because it at least has one little cut in it.
You want to open those doors?
Yeah.
Bridge over there that we have to deal with.
Mm-hmm.
So that gets cut a little bit more so that when it slides this way 2 inches, and then this gets cut and that gets cut, and then this will rest on top of this and it'll give us something to screw it to.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that sounds like a better idea than our last plan. Mm-hmm. And the notches in the back.
Come on, let go of my pocket.
Just lean on it.
Perfect. Alright, we're good. Because see, now these, that's holding it down. These are pulling it in.
Oh yeah, that's nice and sturdy. Sturdy.
So the recommendation is to clean this up, sand it, wire brush it, anything to make it look new, and then continue that fiberglass up onto this.
Even down there where that big old gap is.
Yep. Because don't forget, inside the wheel well, you still have wood, so you gotta seal it, or the exact same shit is gonna happen.
Right. So I need to do the same thing underneath too with the fiberglass, or?
That's longevity. You can seal it. You just need to make it waterproof.
Right. So there you have it. This is what we got done so far. It ain't right, but it's okay, and it gets the job done, and I'm happy with it, and the ball is moving again. I'm excited about that. My friend Shane, who I met on a Facebook Marketplace schoolie forum, he responded to a plea for help, if you will, with my bus, and he happened to live 2 hours away from me, so it worked out great. He came by. He gave me a really great price on his work and helping me out that I could not pass up. So I'm excited. I'm excited that I'm getting things moving again. And yeah, it looks good from afar. Looks good from my backyard. And if you stand far enough away, it'll look good from your backyard too. So just stay in your lanes. See you guys next time. Bye.